ChatGPT said, "Hey, welcome back to Future Drive. Today, we're diving into a rolling masterpiece of British elegance, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome Camper." When you think Aston Martin, you probably picture sleek sports cars, James Bond vibes, and handcrafted performance. Now, imagine all of that stretched into a luxurious home on wheels. Yes, Aston Martin has officially entered the ultra-luxury RV space, and they've done it in unforgettable style. From the outside, the design is absolutely stunning. The silhouette is low-slung, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Aston, with the signature grille, seamless LED lighting, and sculpted carbon fiber panels that reduce weight without compromising presence. It rides on custom 24-inch forged wheels, and the air suspension adjusts automatically to road conditions or camping mode. There's even an active aero system that deploys while cruising, keeping this beast planted and efficient. Step inside through the gullwing-style main door, and you're instantly transported into a luxury lounge. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched, bridge of weir leather, deep walnut inlays, and carbon fiber accents. The floors are heated stone composite, and ambient lighting subtly shifts to match the mood, from energizing blue in the morning to soft amber at night. The front cockpit features Aston Martin's latest interactive digital dash with a wraparound display, a steering wheel inspired by the DB12, and voice-activated controls powered by their AI co-pilot. This camper even integrates facial recognition to automatically adjust your seat, lighting, and climate preferences as you step in. The lounge area is all about comfort and exclusivity. There's a crystal champagne bar, a rotating 65-inch 8K old screen, and plush captain's chairs that recline into zero-gravity positions. The audio system, a 3D immersive setup custom-tuned by Bang & Olufsen, delivering cinema-level sound. Whether you're parked or driving, the kitchen is fully integrated into the walls, with flush marble countertops, an induction cooktop, refrigerated drawers, and a voice-controlled espresso system. Storage compartments rise from the floor or drop from overhead, all motorized and silently gliding open. The bedroom is a sanctuary. You get a memory foam king-size bed with adaptive firmness, a starlit ceiling that mimics the night sky, and electrochromic glass walls that switch from clear to opaque with a tap. Even the mattress has built-in sleep monitoring to optimize your rest on long journeys. And yes, the bathroom is just as refined, rainfall shower with aromatherapy mist, a minimalist smart toilet, and a vanity that folds open to reveal luxury grooming kits from Aston Martin's exclusive lifestyle brand. Starting at around $1.5 million, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome Camper is clearly not for everyone, but for those who crave elegance, exclusivity, and precision engineering even on the road, this could be the ultimate land yacht. So what do you think? Does this redefine luxury RV living or take it too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love bold, futuristic vehicles like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. This is Future Drive, where innovation meets the open road.